I just finished my shower and then I thought of playing my ukulele. I was telling you before na hindi ako marunong masyado ng mag-ukulele. Kaya lang ginamit ko ay itong Oedo, yung True Hearing. I-blend ko lang ang kanta ko, ang awit ko, i-blend ko lang. But actually, I don't know how to play the ukulele. I used this when I had my kindergarten before, and then during the lesson proper, I use this as my visual aid, but audio visual aid. But I don't really know how to play the ukulele, but I was just trying to play it through the use of my hearing. So I'm gonna use this. I'll tell you a story about a girl and a boy, their boyfriend and girlfriend, and the girlfriend said that she wants to go with her boyfriend in a movie, but the boyfriend said he is not available, he is busy. So the girlfriend just went by herself in the movie house, and then when she sat there, she found out that her boyfriend was with another girl, her best friend. So this is how the song was made, about the story of that boyfriend and girlfriend. And when the girlfriend went to the movie house, she saw her best friend and her boyfriend. Okay, this is how it goes. Said he had a work, so I went to the show alone. Turn up the light and turn the projector on. And just as the news of the world started to begin, I saw my boyfriend and my best walking. And so they sat turn around in front of me. And when the boyfriend kissed my best friend, I almost died. And so I cried and cried and cried and cried when I saw my boyfriend and my girl best walking. Oh, sad movies always make me cry. Oh, sad movies always make me cry. So I got Mama saw the tears and said, "What's wrong?" And so to keep her telling her a lie, I just said, sad movies always make me cry. That's the story. Thank you for watching. Thank you.